Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We're inside the greenhouse today, and we're going to try to get all this knocked out and get this thing pretty much finished up. It won't be completely finished. I mean, we're going to put some decorative stuff on the outside and some plants, and I'm going to put some kind of paving stones out there. But it's going to be usable, so I'm going to put my benches in today, or my bench tops. And we're going to trim around the outside of the windows, and we're going to get the potting bench moved in. And I couldn't remember where I put my thermostat that I bought, so I got it, and we'll mount it. I'm not sure exactly where yet, but this controls the fan that we put in. So, you know, when the temperature gets a certain hotness, that fan will come on and suck some of this hot air out. So we'll get that in, get the electric running hopefully, and we'll start planting some seeds in here, so we're pretty excited about that. But I'm going to start putting the bench top, and we'll start back here in this corner. And what we're using is some leftover decking we had from the screened-in porch build, if you remember that. It's gray. It's I really like it. I almost threw all this stuff away. I'm glad I didn't now. So hopefully we got enough. We got a bunch cut, and we're going to get started. And I'm going to put a gap in between these, not for expansion, but just for drainage, because see, I'll be putting my seedlings here, and I have to water them, and the water will go down through the floor. And speaking of the floor, my Valentine got the floor painted, and it looks good, so we'll show you that real quick, and then we'll get to nailing some stuff. I'm going to nail it with my Pass-Slow cordless nailer. And I'm starting out with 16s, which is 3 1/4, I think, inch nail. And I hope it goes through, because I couldn't get these, figure out how to get these out. So I've got some shorter ones, and we'll use those hopefully when we use all these up. But I hope it'll drive it in there far enough. So we'll see. I'm going to show you the floor, and we'll get out of the way. We'll shoot the floor real quick because it looks really nice in here. Then we'll start putting down the top. So we didn't actually use a paint on the floor. We used a solid stain, and the reason we did that because we use these so pressure treated, and I think I missed a couple of nails, so I'm gonna go back and nail this eventually, and it's got a little squeak to it. But we stained that instead of a paint, so thinking it might last longer since this is the floor, and we'll try it out and see. We can always go back with like a porch paint, which is an enamel. But anyway, I'm rambling. So let's get started putting these benches on, bench tops on. Let's see. Okay, so we ran into a little snafu when we started nailing it. I forgot to charge the battery to my nailer, so it's on charge, and we're in a momentary delay. So, but we went in and got the potting bench down here, and I really love this thing here. It looks nice. It's going to be great sowing seeds here. I can't wait to get started. And I've got a little, like a John Deere bar stool that I'm going to put here too, so I'll have somewhere to sit and work and all that stuff. So get ready. You'll probably be seeing a lot of videos running here, so this will be the main focus. And but this is really nice. I got this for my birthday a couple of years ago. We've been saving it, and I can't wait to start using it. So we're going to let the battery charge up, and we'll be back out here nailing it. So as soon as it gets charged. Alright, it's the next day, and I think we've got everything charged up and ready to go. Now, I laid this out last night before I left, and I started out spacing them with thickness of one, like right here. Then when I got towards the end, there was just a little bit left, so I spaced these out a little bit to take out the difference, so it all work out. That way I wouldn't have to cut a little piece like that. So I got my nail gun going, and I'm going to go ahead and nail this down, and it's kind of loud, so I'll try to dampen it in editing maybe, so hopefully. here we go. So you get the gist. I'm gonna go ahead and nail the back off camera, that way it won't be so loud, and cover my ears a little bit. And then we'll lay this side out and nail it, and hopefully we'll get enough for this side over here too. So we'll get all this done today. I've got most of my electrical parts. I don't know if I'll get that today because I gotta drill a hole and dig out to and tie on some line over there. So, but I do have my parts, and I'll show you those before we leave. So I'll tell you one thing, it's really hot in here. I mean, it's not hot, but it's warm, and I wish I had a short sleeve shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and nail the backs, and I'll nail some of these, and we'll go cut some more and finish this out, and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, so we got it done, and I think it looks pretty daggone good, actually, even if I did do it, or we did it. So it's going to turn out pretty nice, I think. So I don't think I had any problems. We had a little bit left over. It turned out good. Only thing is that nail gun, the new nail gun I got, I'm not so, it seems like it misfire every third shot. So I'm going to do some research on it. I'm not 100% sure I'm liking it. But this is, we're ready to start seeding in here, so well, I got to do the electric, and we'll start. I'm not going to show that on film, but here's the thermostat for my fan. I'm probably going to put it somewhere in here, and then I'll have an outlet down here somewhere, or here, something like that. Ain't quite sure yet. Like I said, I got to run a line out and dig probably about, I don't know, 30 feet or so, dig a little trench and bury it. I got a line out there can tie into an electric line, so we're running out here, and I'm going to use this, of course, like I said, to turn the fan on. Then I'm going to have an outlet, and I'm going to probably have some heat mats on these, and I'm going to have a little electric heater in here. So that's our plan, and we got the trim on the windows too. We'll look at that in just a second. Now, I made this for a 10-20 tray, and I wish I had brought one up here. You can go either this way, or you can go two this way. So I don't know which would be best. When we start seeding, we'll find out, and we'll probably do it together, so it'll probably be on video. So I really like this. It needs a little cleanup. This was out in the weather. It looks really nice. I think it turned out really nice. Let me get out of the way, and she'll get a shot of that, and we'll go outside and look at the window trim. Alright, so we just did kind of a shaker trim around the windows. We're not 100% sure if we like it or not, so I might work on them and redo it. I don't know. This side I think I like better than this side. This side didn't turn out really all that good, so. But, and I forgot to do the top up there. I'll have to do that at a later date, and we'll get it done. I got to do around the door, and got to put the thing on the back. So I got a few little things to do, but this is going to be the last video as far as the build goes. We'll come back, and of course you'll be going to see me in the week next week putting some seeds, starting some seeds. So I mean, you're going to see it, but we're going to do some landscaping. We got to do a bunch of cleanup. I'm going to put some stepping stones out here. what else are we gonna do? We're gonna put some brackets and stuff. So we're not gonna tell everything we're gonna do. It'll be a surprise. We're gonna put some plants out here. So we got a lot we're gonna do, and when we get it all where we think it looks really nice, we'll do a reveal then, or we'll do a shoot and talk about it. But you'll be seeing it a lot in the next month and a half at least. So that's going to be it for the video today. I gotta get this in here and get it edited. Appreciate everybody watching. Remember, we got a live now Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. I might be doing, YouTube's got a new thing where you can do a live on shorts. So I might try that Sunday when I do some of my chores. So you can be on the look out for that. That'll be Sunday, February the, I don't even know. I don't even know what today is. 18th. Maybe the 18th or something. But that Sunday, I don't know for sure if if I can get it figured out, we'll do it. So, but watch for it. It'll be about 3:30 Sunday afternoon when I do my chores. So we're gonna wrap it up here. The inside's pretty much done except for the electric. Outside, I just got a few little things to tidy up, and when we get it all done, we'll come back and show you everything. But like I said, we'll be in there working. So anyway, appreciate everybody watching. Come see us Monday night. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody that hits that subscribe button. Helps our channel grow, and we really appreciate it. Really, no kidding. I'm not just saying that to patronize anybody. So give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.